Okay, so good morning to all. Now let us continue from yesterday's bit. So last definition I had given with respect to the circular pitch. Huh. Yes. So is it correct? So whatever definition I have given regarding the circular pitch. So that was the last bit yesterday we have discussed. Revannath, the same definition was given at last, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Then you should continue in the same one. So you can write in the same one. Mathematically, so just I will take one more slide. Mathematically, you can write mathematically. Next line, circular pitch, write in words, comma, PC equal to PC equal to pi d upon capital T. 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 Next line you can write where 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 capital D equal to capital D equal to diameter of each circle, diameter of each circle, diameter of each circle, and and capital T, capital T, capital T equal to number of teeth, number of teeth, number of teeth on the wheel, on the wheel, on the wheel, right? So okay, समजलं का? Now circular pitch. Once again I will show that this is the circular pitch. This is the circular pitch. नीट लक्ष द्या. Or for your understanding. So it will take time, but this is the tooth. And this is the second tooth. Okay. This is the point. This is pitch circle. And this is corresponding point on next tooth. Corresponding point on next tooth. So this is the circular pitch. Right. So here, this is the pi d. You know, this is along circumference of pitch circle. So how to determine the circumference? 2 pi r. So 2 into r. That 2 into r. R means radius. So 2 times radius is equal to this d. And pi as it is. So this is the circumference इथला लिहिलाय आपण लक्षात ठेवा and divided by this t, that is nothing but number of teeth. Right. So based on this, we can find out circular pitch for a particular wheel. Next line you can write, note, if 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 capital D1 and capital D2 are the diameters are the diameters of the two meshing gear of the two meshing gear having the teeth capital T1, capital T suffix 1 and T2 respectively, comma, then for them to mesh correctly, their circular pitch should be same. Right. So next line you can write, PC is equal to pi D1 upon T1. So this is for wheel 1 and for wheel 2 we can write PC is equal to pi D2 divided by T2 So this is 1 and this one is 2. Just I am writing with this mouse. Okay. लक्षात आलं का? Okay. So next line you can write, from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. Left hand side is same. So you can write next line, pi D1 upon this T1 is equal to pi D2 upon this T2. Therefore, this pi get cancelled. What is remaining? D1 upon T1 is equal to D2 upon T2. Or we can also write D1 upon D2 is equal to T1 upon this T2. ओके, समजलं का ओंकार? हॅलो स्वप्नील.
हॅलो सर, रिपीट करता का एकदा सर?
करतो. हॅलो, ठीक आहे, करतो, एक मिनिट. सो circular pitch for wheel 1 means we are going to take here suffix 1, pi d1 upon t1, number of teeth on wheel 1, pitch circle diameter of wheel 1 in terms of diameter and number of teeth. We have written pc for wheel 1. Okay, then circular pitch for wheel 2, how we can write? Pi d2 upon t2. d2 means number of teeth on wheel 2, sorry, number of diameter of wheel 2, and t2 means number of teeth on wheel 2. D is for diameter and T is for teeth. Okay, then to have proper meshing between two wheels or two gears, what is the condition? Circular pitch should be same. आता एका गिअरवरचा टीथ आणि दुसऱ्या गिअरवरचा टीथ यांचा शेप and size, it should be same. If shape and size should be same, then they will have the same circular pitch, and that same circular pitch is required to have proper meshing. So for example, this is tooth on wheel number 1. For understanding purpose, I am not drawing in the curved way. So this is tooth on second wheel. Okay, so what is circular pitch? This is the point on first tooth, and this is the second tooth for this side wheel. This is the second point on the corresponding tooth. ह्या दोन मधला डिस्टन्स म्हणजे काय? तुमचं सर्क्युलर पिच आहे. मग असेच दोन टूथ कशाचे असणार आहेत? दुसऱ्या गिअरचे, राईट. मग हा डिस्टन्स, त्याला एक दुसरे हे घेतो, कलर घेतो. दिस डिस्टन्स, हा डिस्टन्स म्हणजे काय? सर्क्युलर पिच. आता दुसऱ्या गिअरवरचा सर्क्युलर पिच आपण हायलाइट करूया. ओके, सो आय विल यूज अनदर कलर. ओके, right. So this and this should be same, then only meshing is going to be takes place, right? So again, here you can check. So this is the point on first tooth, and this is the point on second tooth. This is the circular pitch. हा झाला एक नंबरचा गिअर. आता दुसऱ्या नंबरच्या गिअर मध्ये असंच टूथ असणार आहे आणि इथं एक टूथ असणार आहे, राईट. मग ह्या पॉइंट पासून ह्या पॉइंट पर्यंत हे डिस्टन्स आणि हे डिस्टन्स, राईट, दिस शुड बी सेम, then there will be proper meshing, right? So if this PC is same, then we can have this right hand side of wheel number 1 that we have written here, and right hand side for wheel number 2, it is written here. Pi gets cancelled. What is remaining? This is remaining, this is remaining, that we have written here. Again, just by rearranging in terms of ratio of diameter and ratio of number of teeth. So D1 by D2 is equal to T1 by T2. समजलं का आता?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. So this is about circular pitch. Next line, next definition. Next definition, you can write. Next one, diametral pitch. Diametral pitch. Diametral pitch. Diametral pitch. Right? So spelling just you can check. DIAMETRAL. Diametral pitch. Next line you can write. Next line you can write. It is the ratio of. It is the ratio of it is the ratio of number of teeth number of teeth number of teeth to the piece circle diameter to the piece circle diameter piece circle diameter in millimeters in millimeters in millimeters. Next line or in the same continue, it is denoted by capital P suffix small d, capital P suffix small d. Next line, write down mathematically PD is equal to PD is equal to capital T upon D. Capital T upon D. Capital T upon D. Okay. Next line you can write. We know PC is equal to. सगळं लिहून घ्या. I request all the students. PC is equal to pi D upon T. Pi D upon T. Pi D upon T. So here is equal to sorry, याच्यावरून एक रिलेशन लिहा. Write down. T is equal to what we can write from this, right? Pi D upon PC. बरोबर आहे का?
Yes, sir.
हा, हे लक्षात आलं का का लिहिले ते?
Yes, sir.
Because this will be asked in MCQ, so that's why these steps are required, right? Now I will write this as a 1. then terminology we can write. Next line you can write, and this is 2. This is equation number 2. Next line you can write, therefore P D is equal to, what is value of T? That we are going to write here, pi D upon this PC. एखादी स्टेप्स वाढली तर चालते, काय फरक पडत नाही. And divided by this D. Okay. Now what is remaining? What is remaining? Pi upon ओंकार सांगा, पाय अपॉन
टी नाही
TC. हा
टी सी
काय म्हणताय?
हा सर
पाय
टी सी
अपॉन, हा पाय अपॉन TC. ओके. So therefore this you can write, PD is equal to pi upon PC. Pi upon PC. Next line you can write, where. आता इथं टर्म त्याच आलेत, पण स्टील यू आर गोइंग टू राईट व्हेअर. आता इथं परत टी आणि डी लिहितोय आपण, वरच खाली लिहितोय, पण लिहा व्हेअर टी इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ टीथ. इथे लिहिलंय आपण, टी इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ टीथ, अँड डी इज इक्वल टू pitch circle diameter in millimeter. Pitch circle diameter in millimeter. This is very important. Okay. Next line you can write. Next line you can write. Next definition number 12, right? Module. So write next line, module. Module. So MODULE. 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 Next line you can write, it is the ratio of the pitch circle diameter in millimeter. Pitch circle diameter in millimeter. Pitch circle diameter in millimeters to the number of teeth. To the number of teeth. To the number of teeth. Next line. It is usually denoted by. It is usually denoted by M. Small m. Small m. Next line you can write, mathematically m is equal to capital D upon capital T. Capital D upon capital T. Capital D upon capital T. Okay. So diametral pitch So what we have seen diametral pitch, PD is equal to T by D, and reciprocal of this is nothing but the module. So why these relations I am giving? So just I will show you why these are required. Okay. So screen is visible. Swapnil,
Yes,
screen is
sir.
Yes, sir.
okay. Okay. Now why this is required? Now this question. So I have prepared MCQs for to give you. Okay. Just see this question. MCQ. The product of diametral pitch and circular pitch is equal to diametral pitch and circular pitch is equal to what is the answer? Pi. So here only we can have practice. असं वेग आन्सर लिहायचं नाही आपल्याला. You should know that what is diametral pitch and what is circular pitch. So let us have try for that. So product of diametral pitch and circular pitch. So this is PD is equal to. So what is PD? What is PD? T
Pi upon TC.
by.
T by D.
Okay, two relations. So I will write that also. Pi upon PC. Two relations. Additionally, if we know, no issue. Then what is circular pitch? Already we have written pi d
Upon
upon
T. T.
t. Pi d upon t. Now this is t, this is t, this is d, this is d. So we can use these two equations. So PD into PC, we are going to write here this T by D into pi D by T. This D and this D get cancelled. This T get cancelled. What is remaining? Only pi is remaining. So this way you should know. So वेग लिहायचं नाही, right? Now what is next question? The module is reciprocal of diametral pitch. Module is reciprocal of diametral pitch, right? So we have seen what is diametral pitch. What is diametral pitch? Already we have written definition. Diametral pitch is equal to this. एक लक्षात ठेवायचं कुठलं तर PD आणि module is equal to D by T. So reciprocal of diametral pitch is nothing but the module, right? So these questions I will provide with ready-made answer, but you should have try on your own. असे क्वेश्चन असणार आहे. आता इथं बघा दुसरा क्वेश्चन कसा आहे. The radial distance of tooth from piece circle to the bottom of the tooth is called. चुकायलाच नको आहे तुमचं. That is my expectation, because everything we have seen through diagrams, right? Okay. Next, now I will proceed for next. Okay. समजलं का ओंकार? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Next definition you can write clearance. Clearance. I have displayed slide. Clearance. Clearance. Okay. First, I will show what is clearance. Then you will understand how definition is given. Now, this is one line. So this is the one curve, right? हा कर्व दिसतोय तुम्हाला डिडेंडमचा आणि हा एका गेअरवरचा आहे. लक्ष द्या नीट. हा एका गेअरवरचा, एक नंबर गेअरवरचा आणि हा दुसरा गेअर आहे आणि हा टॉप आहे त्याचा, दुसऱ्या गेअरच्या टूथचा टॉप आणि पहिल्या गेअरच्या टूथचा बॉटम, त्याच्यामधलं डिस्टन्स, that is nothing but the clearance, right? So next line you can write, it is the radial distance, it is the radial distance from top, from the liha, from the top of the tooth, top of the tooth to the bottom of the tooth, bottom of the tooth, comma, in meshing gear, in meshing gear, in meshing gear. ज्यावेळेस गिअर्स मेश मध्ये असतात त्यावेळेस हा क्लिअरन्स दिसतो, राईट? कन्फ्युजन करून घेऊ नका. टॉप ऑफ द टूथ, दुसऱ्या गेअरवरच्या टूथचा टॉप आणि पहिल्या गेअरवरच्या टूथचा बॉटम, त्याच्यामध्ये डिस्टन्स कधी दिसणार आहे तुम्हाला? ज्यावेळेस गिअर्स आर इन मेश. त्यामुळे क्लिअरन्स हा एका गिअर मध्ये नाही होत तयार, राईट? सो द क्लिअरन्स इज टॉप ऑफ द टूथ, हा टूथ, अँड बॉटम ऑफ द टूथ म्हणजे हा टूथ. कशाचा? जे दोन गिअर मेश मध्ये आहेत त्या केस मध्ये क्लिअरन्स तुम्हाला ऑब्झर्व करता येतो, राईट? अँड दॅट क्रिएट्स द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द क्लिअरन्स. एकाच टूथचा टॉप आणि त्याचाच बॉटम, दॅट इज नथिंग बट ॲडेंडम प्लस द डिडेंडम. ते नाही, समजून घ्या, राईट? ओके. सो next line in the same you can write, a circle passing through. अजून एक दाखवतो मी तुम्हाला. a circle passing through the top of the meshing gear, is known as clearance circle, is known as clearance circle. So आता इथं टॉप कशाचा धरायचा आहे? दुसऱ्या टूथचा. इथं टूथ काढतोय तुमच्या माहितीसाठी, राईट? सो दिस इज टूथ आणि ह्याच्या टॉप मधनं जे सर्कल काढलंय इथं बघा, दिस इज क्लिअरन्स सर्कल. टॉप मधून मेशिंग गिअरच्या टॉप मधून काढलेलं टॉप ऑफ द टूथ, that circle is nothing but the clearance circle. इथे सुद्धा बघा, नेक्स्ट डायग्राम. here this is the clearance circle, right? And here we can have tooth, right? Okay. Again, to have more understanding, we can check this figure which I have demonstrated for backlash. इथे बघा, हा टॉप आहे, इथं गिअर नंबर 2 आहे. हा टूथ कशाचा आहे? गिअर नंबर 2 चा आणि हा गिअर नंबर 1. दोघांमधलं जे डिस्टन्स दिसतंय तुम्हाला दॅट इज नथिंग बट द क्लिअरन्स. ओके. Next you can write next definition, total depth. Next, am I audible, Revannath?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, write down total depth. Total depth, you can write, it is the radial distance. It is the radial distance. It is the radial distance between the addendum and dedendum. Spelling व्यवस्थित लिहा. Dedendum, circles of a gear. आता गिअर म्हणलं इथं म्हणजे एकच आला. ऑफ ए गिअर मीन्स एका गिअरवरचा विचार करायचा इथे तुम्ही, राईट. सो आयदर गिअर नंबर 1 और आयदर गिअर नंबर 2, आयदर व्हील नंबर 1 आयदर व्हील नंबर 2. पण जनरली ज्यावेळेस असे 2 गिअर मेश मध्ये असतात त्यावेळेस जे लहान व्हील असतं, सो व्हॉट एव्हर व्हील which is small in size, that we are going to call it as a pinion. And जे मोठं व्हील असतं, the wheel which is more in size or big in size, that is called as a gear. जनरल टर्मिनॉलॉजी काय? व्हील 1 व्हील 2. आता ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला ते दोन दिसत आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये लहान व्हील असेल दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ पिनियन, अँड बिग व्हील मोठं व्हील आहे त्याला काय म्हणणार तुम्ही? गिअर. टर्मिनॉलॉजी समजून घ्या. सो ड्युरिंग द एक्झाम्पल्स this may be asked, but we are not having numerical treatment with respect to this part A. Okay, next line you can write, it is also called as whole depth. Total depth किंवा whole depth, one and the same. So this is dedendum circle, and this is addendum circle. Okay, so this is called as a whole depth. So if one more figure is available, that I will show. Okay, so this is addendum circle, this one is addendum circle, and this is dedendum circle. इथे बघा, मी काय दाखवतो ते नीट बघत जावा. एखाद्या वेळेस मी चुकीचं दाखवलं ते तसंच पुढं नेऊ नका. तुम्ही मला सांगा, somebody should tell, sir you have shown me wrong. So this one is dedendum circle and this is called as a whole depth or total depth. आता ही टोटल डेप्थ म्हणजे काय दिसतंय तुम्हाला? ही वर्किंग डेप्थ इज डिफरंट वन. टोटल डेप्थ म्हणजे काय दिसतंय? dedendum plus addendum, this is required. Total depth is equal to addition of addendum and the dedendum. Write in the same, you can write, it is equal to sum of the addendum and dedendum. Sum of the addendum and dedendum. Sum of the addendum and dedendum. Sum of addendum and the dedendum. Next definition you can write. Next you can write working depth. Working depth. Working depth. Working depth. Write down. It is the radial distance from the addendum circle to the clearance circle, from the addendum circle to the clearance circle, addendum circle to the clearance circle. This one is addendum and this is clearance circle. This blue one, this is clearance circle, right? And radial word is important. Radial word is important. Radial word is important. Okay. So, okay. Now, so one more sentence with respect to this I would like to give. So this one is the working depth. And now suppose this is the tooth, or I will draw another figure. हे का सांगतोय? Because this is asked in MCQs. This one is clearance circle. I will write in short, clearance circle. Addendum circle. One minute. This one is clearance one, that already I have told. एक कुठलं तरी काढतो मी. This is clearance circle. This one is addendum circle. Okay. This is addendum. And this is, नीट समजून घ्या, this is addendum. ओके. आता दुसऱ्या व्हीलचा टूथ मी इथं असा काढतो. ओके. What is this? This is addendum. कशासाठीच? दुसऱ्या व्हीलच्या टूथ साठीच. And here this is addendum. Next line you can write हा A आणि हा A. What indicates? Write down. Working depth is equal to the sum of addendum of two meshing gears. Sum of addendum of two meshing gears. Right? So this is working depth. This is working depth. हा addendum आणि याचा addendum दुसऱ्या वेलचा ॲडेंडम, त्या दोघांचे ऍडिशन म्हणजे काय असणार आहे, तुमचं वर्किंग डेप्थ. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ वर्किंग डेप्थ. सो वाय आय एम डिस्कसिंग दिस इन, because there will be question with respect to this, so that is not included in the present copy of the document. So there will be question on such discussion also, right? So sum of addition, sum of the addendum of two meshing gear is equal to whole depth, working depth, A and B, and of none of these. So what will be the sum of addendum of two meshing gear is known as working depth. Next, you can write next 3 definitions I will take, and then I will stop. Write down next simple definition. Tooth thickness. Tooth thickness. It is width of tooth. Width of tooth measured along the pitch circle. Measured along the pitch circle. Measured along the pitch circle. This is tooth thickness. Next, you can write tooth space. Write it properly. Tooth space. TOOTH and space, not paste. Space. SPACE. Tooth space. म्हणजे हा width of space. It is width of space. It is width of space. Width of space between the two adjacent teeth. Between two adjacent teeth measured along the pitch circle. Measured along the pitch circle. So इथं जो काय स्पेस राहिलाय, दोन ऍडजस्टंट सलग टीथ मधला जो काय इथं स्पेस राहिलाय, दॅट इज नथिंग बट विड्थ ऑफ स्पेस. And last definition of today's lecture, so I will take this. Next, you can write backlash. 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 Now whatever figure displayed on the slide, from that also you can understand what is backlash. What is backlash, right? This is tooth thickness, right? So previously we have written, and what is this? This is nothing but the width of space. Width of space. त्या दोघांमधला जो डिफरन्स असेल, that is nothing but the backlash. That is nothing but the backlash. एका टूथची थिकनेस म्हणजे 2 नंबर गिअर वरच्या टूथची थिकनेस आणि 1 नंबर गिअर वरच्या टूथ मधील स्पेस, that is nothing but the backlash. You can write it is the difference between the tooth space and the tooth thickness, comma, as measured along the pitch circle. As measured along pitch circle. 2 more sentences. I will dictate directly. Theoretically, the backlash should be 0. Backlash should be 0, comma, but in actual practice, some backlash must be allowed. Some backlash must be allowed to prevent jamming of jamming jamming of the teeth due to tooth errors and thermal expansion, due to tooth error and